Hi everyone, welcome back to 8th standard maths class. Here we are dealing with 8th standard first chapter, that is equal triangles. In the previous video, we learned a concept, that is if two sides and angle between them is equal, then the third side and the remaining two angles will also be equal. Now let's move on to the activity, that is from page number 15, first question. Here is your question. In each pair of triangles below, find the pair of matching angles and write them down. Here, two sub-questions are there. In each sub-question, two figures, the same like the first activity. Okay, only method is different. Here, in the first sub-question, two figure is given, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. You have to check which all are the equal angles here. Okay, compare these two figures and write which all are the equal angles. One angle is given, that is 40-degree angle is given. Okay, so let's check. So this is the figure given in the question. Okay, first triangle ABC and second triangle PQR. Here we have to check which all are the equal angles. Okay, that means here when we compare these two figures, you can see some measures are equal and some angles are also equal. And in order to find which all are the equal angles, first of all you have to check whether we can apply our concept here in this figure. Okay, what was the concept? If two sides and angle between them are equal for two triangles, then their third sides and the remaining two angles will be equal. So first of all we need to check whether we can apply that concept here. Okay, so let's check. Check the first side, AB. AB is the first side. So first side, and check whether AB is here or not. We can see that AB, the same 3 centimeter side is here also. So one side equal. Now next side 7 centimeter. Check whether 7 is here or not. Yes, here also one 7 centimeter. So second side also same. Okay, so for these two triangles, first side same, 3 centimeter 3 centimeter same, then 7 centimeter 7 centimeter same. Now two side and angle between them we need equal. Let's check. 7 centimeter and 3 centimeter in between angle, that means this 40 degree. Okay, check whether a 40 degree is in between 7 and 3 centimeter. We can see angle between 7 and 3 is also 40 degree here. Okay, that means we can apply our concept here. For these two triangles, two side and angle between them is the same as for the second triangle, same like the second triangle. Two sides and angle between them equal. That means these two triangles are equal triangles. These two are equal triangles. If they are equal triangles, what is the condition? What is the speciality for equal triangles? If condition is satisfied, we can say that the third side will also be equal. Third side, which is the third side for the first triangle? Third side is BC. This third side will be same as PR. Okay, these two sides will be same because the concept satisfied here. Two side and angle between them is same. That's why the third sides are same. Now it is easy to find which all are the equal angles. Okay, so first angle is angle A and angle Q. Angle A equal to angle Q. That is already given. Now let's check the second angle. Second angle, let's take angle B. This one. So angle B will be equal to which angle? For that we need to consider the opposite side. Okay, angle B's opposite side is what? 7 centimeter. So here 7 centimeters opposite angle will be equal. So 7 centimeter opposite angle B. So here 7 centimeter opposite angle is angle R. So angle B equal to angle R because AC is same as PQ. Okay, this is the reason. AC and PQ are same 7 centimeter. That's why their opposite angles B and here opposite angle R are equal. So we got two angles. Now the third angle is what? The remaining angles. Here it is angle C is the remaining angle. Here the remaining angle is what? P is the remaining angle. So these three are the equal angles. Okay. First of all, you have to check any of the first concept or second concept can we apply here. Okay, that we need to check first. First concept or second concept. Here we can apply the second concept because two side and angle between them equal. If all the three sides equal, let's apply the first concept. Okay, whatever be the concept, if any of that two concepts satisfied, we can say that these two are equal triangles. Equal triangle means all the three sides will be equal and the angles will also be equal. Okay, this is the answer. Our next question is question number 2. In the figure below, AC and BE are parallel lines. First sub question, are the length of BC and DE equal? Why? Second sub question, are BC and DE parallel? Why? So two triangles are joined together. Okay, B is the common point here. We have to prove that are the length of BC and DE equal, and you have to write the reason also. That is the first sub question. Let's check. So this is a figure given in the question. Okay, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 4 here, 4 here. Okay, you can see that two triangles here. Okay, triangle ABC and triangle BDE. Two triangles. Okay. Now, first sub question is, are the length of BC and DE equal? That means this length and this DE length are equal or not. That we need to prove. Okay. So, first we need to check whether we can apply any of two concepts that we already learned. Okay. Here only two sides given. That means the first concept is not possible. Third side is not given, so we can't say that it is equal. Okay. Now let's check the second concept. For the second concept, what is the second concept? Two sides must be equal and angle between them also must be equal. So let's check here. Here 6 centimeter. For the first triangle AC is 6 centimeter. For the second triangle also BE is 6 centimeter. That means one side equal. Okay. Now check the base side. AB is 4 centimeter. For the first triangle, second side AB is 4 centimeter. Now for the second triangle also 4 centimeter side is here, that is BD. So second side also given. Now two side equal and what we need more? Angle between them also must be equal. But here angles are not given. Instead of that, it is given that AC and BE are parallel lines. AC parallel to BE. Okay, AC parallel BE. The sign denotes parallel. Okay, parallel. So, AC and BE parallel means two parallel lines makes an angle with base common side AD. Okay, you can see these two parallel lines makes an angle here and here with a common side like this. You have learned this concept in 7th standard. If two parallel lines create an angle with a common side, these two angles will be equal. A name is there for these two angles. The name is corresponding angles. They are corresponding angles and the corresponding angles are equal. Okay, corresponding angles will be equal. When these two lines are parallel, angle between the two parallel lines and the common side is corresponding angle and these two angles will be equal. Okay, we don't want the exact measurement. We just want to know whether they are equal or not. So, according to this corresponding angles concept, we can understand that these two are equal. So, angle CAB and angle EBD are equal angles. So, we got two side and angle between them as equal. Okay, two sides and angle between them as equal that we got. That means we can apply the second concept. Okay, second concept we can apply here. Now, if second concept satisfy means what is the speciality of the equal triangles? If two sides and angle between them equal means the third side will obviously equal. Which is the third side here? Third side of the first triangle it is BC. Then third side of the second triangle is DE. That two will be equal. So our first sub question, whether BC and DE are equal. So we prove that BC and DE are equal. Okay, reason is two side equal and angle between them equal. So these two are equal triangles. That is the reason. Okay. Next our second sub question is, are BC and DE are parallel? What is the reason? Okay. For the first sub question, we proved that BC and DE are equal. That we proved equal. Okay. Next we have to prove that BC and DE are parallel. Now for that, already we got these two triangles are equal triangles. Okay. Already we proved in the first sub question itself we proved that these two are equal triangles. Now for equal triangles, what is the speciality of equal triangles? All the three sides and all the angles are equal. Okay. Now here angle B and angle D. Let's check angle B and angle D. If these two sides parallel means what we must get? These two angles must be equal. Okay, like this. These two parallel lines equal. Why? Because of these two angles equal. Okay, these two angles equal. That's why these two sides parallel. Okay. So, we must get these two angles as equal. Then only we can say that these two sides are parallel. Okay. So, for that, consider the opposite side. Whether opposite side of these two angles are equal. Okay. Angle B here. Okay. Angle B's opposite side is what? 6 centimeter. Here angle D's opposite side is 6 centimeter. So, what we can say? Since angles as equal. Okay. Already first angle we got as equal. Now this is the second angle. Okay. Second angle 6 centimeter opposite side and 6 centimeter opposite side. Now 4 centimeter opposite side is angle C. This is the third angle. Here this one angle E. Okay. So since angle B and angle D are equal and AD is the common side, we can say that this BC and this DE are parallel. Clear? I will repeat. Already we proved that these two triangles are equal triangles. Equal triangle means all the angles and all the sides will be equal. Okay. So 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. 4 centimeter here, 4 centimeter here. The third side will also be equal. Now the equal sides opposite angles will be equal. That means this angle are the first angle. Angle A and angle B are the first angle that we got. Now check the next equal angles. For that consider the side 6 centimeter. 6 centimeters opposite angle is angle B. Now for the second triangle 6 centimeter here. So its opposite angle is here. So angle B and angle D are equal. Because of angle B and angle D equal, we can say that this BC and this DE are parallel because they create these two equal angles with the common side AD. Okay. Next question is question number 3. Is ACBD in the figure a parallelogram? Why? Okay, one figure is given ACBD. In that figure, two sides given, that is 6 centimeter AC and DB also 6 centimeter and two angles also given 35 degree, 35 degree. We have to prove this is a parallelogram. And reason also you have to write. Now, what do you mean by parallelogram? Parallelogram means opposite angles must be equal. Here opposite angles are angle C and angle D and angle A and angle B. These angles must be equal. Then only we can say that this is a parallelogram. Okay. This is a figure given in the question A, C, B, D. We have to check that this figure is a parallelogram or not. Now, in order to get this as a parallelogram, we must get all the opposite angles as equal. Opposite angle means angle C and angle D. These two are the first pair of opposite angles. Next is angle A and angle B. The complete angle, only one portion is given 35 degree. Here next portion is 35 degree. We must get these complete angles. A and B must be equal. C and D must be equal. Normally, we are using equal triangles concept in order to prove this. Okay, we are using that concept. So, for that we have to check the figure thoroughly. When we check the figure, you can see that two triangles here. This is the first triangle, this is the second triangle. Okay, two triangles here. Now, compare these two triangles, whether we can apply the second concept or first concept here in these two triangles. Anyway, first concept is not possible because we don't know anything about the CB and AD. The third side we don't know. Now, check the sides. Next sides that we given. First is AC. Okay, AC is 6 centimeter. That AC is same as DB. Okay, AC is same as DB because both are 6 centimeter side. Now check any other side same. Okay, we need two sides and one angle equal. In between angle must be equal. Then only we can apply the second concept. So for that, check any other side equal. Okay, same like the first activity, we can see that for these two triangles, this AB is the common side. AB is a part of first triangle and AB is same part of second triangle. So AB equal to AB, common side. Okay, now check in between angle is the same or not. This is 6 centimeter and this is common side. Angle between them here for the first triangle 35 degree. Check the 35 degree is the same here or not. Same here we can see. Okay, 6 centimeter side and common side AB, in between angle is 35 degree. Okay, so angle CAB is the same as angle ABD. Okay, angle CAB, because I am not considering A as a complete angle because this portion is missing. Angle A means it will be complete angle. So for that, first triangle only CAB is the angle. Okay, that's why angle CAB. Now for the second triangle, angle DBA or ABD. These two angles as equal. Now what we can say about these two triangles? Two sides equal, angle between them also equal. That means these two triangles are equal triangles. So equal triangle means we can say that the remaining third side will also be equal. That means this third side and this third side will be equal. And the angles opposite to equal sides will also be equal. Angles opposite to equal sides. Which all are the angles opposite to equal sides? These two are the first angle. Now the second angle, consider 6 centimeter equal side. For the first triangle AC 6 centimeter, its opposite angle here it will be this one. Okay, this is the second angle. Now here 6 centimeter for the second triangle, 6 centimeters opposite angle is here. This is the second angle. Now consider the common side, this side. Common side, AB's opposite angle of the first triangle is angle C, third angle. Now for the second triangle, AB's common side opposite angle is angle D. These two are the equal angles. Angle C and angle D we got as equal. Now here already 35 degree. If these two are also equal means sum of these two will also be equal. So we can say that angle C equal to angle D and angle A equal to angle B. Since the opposite angles are equal, we can say that this figure is a parallelogram because the sides are also equal. 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. These two sides also equal. Opposite sides must be equal and opposite angles must be equal. Then it is a parallelogram. Okay.